What if I told you there's a new AI in town, self-taught, lightning fast, and not from Silicon Valley? No, it's not another OpenAI release. It's from China. It's called DeepSeek V2, and some experts say it just might beat ChatGPT. But wait, how did this happen? And why isn't anyone talking about it? Stick around, because what you're about to hear might just change the AI race forever. China's secret AI breakthrough. Is DeepSeek self-taught model beating OpenAI? Who is DeepSeek? Let's start with the basics. Who or what is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is a China-based AI research team that's been quietly cooking up something big, really big. While the world was watching OpenAI and Google spar over GPT and Gemini, DeepSeek was training differently. They weren't just teaching an AI, they were letting it teach itself. Yes, you heard that right, a self-taught AI model. It's like giving your kid some books, a laptop, and no bedtime, and he ends up becoming Einstein. So what's so special about their model? It's called DeepSeek V2, a 236 billion parameter beast. That's bigger than OpenAI's GPT-3 and nearly on par with GPT-4. But here's the kicker, it's open source. Yep, they dropped the code for the world to see. No NDAs, no paywalls, no catch. It's like the ChatGPT of China just went full Robin Hood, the self-learning model. Let's dig deeper because DeepSeek V2 isn't just big, it's different. While most models rely heavily on human-labeled datasets, DeepSeek's approach is what they call self-rewarding reinforcement learning. Sounds fancy? It is. Imagine an AI that creates problems for itself and then solves them to get better. Like a personal trainer that's also the athlete. This training method is modeled after human curiosity. Think of it as an AI playing 20 questions with itself until it becomes a genius. And the results stunning. In benchmarks, DeepSeek V2 performed exceptionally well on common sense reasoning, coding, and even math. And remember, this is a non-English native model we're talking about, still crushing English benchmarks. Makes you wonder, if DeepSeek keeps improving at this pace, will OpenAI need to catch up? Comparing DeepSeek versus GPT. Let's compare DeepSeek V2 to the big dog, OpenAI's ChatGPT. ChatGPT, especially in its GPT-4 Turbo form, is powerful, polished, and very user-friendly. But it comes with a catch. It's not fully open. You don't really know what's going on under the hood. DeepSeek? It's transparent. They shared their architecture, training method, token count, everything. That's like Apple suddenly revealing their iPhone blueprints to the world. To understand DeepSeek's rise, we need to look at the broader context of China's AI strategy. The nation has poured immense resources into AI research and development, driven by a clear national ambition to become a global leader in this transformative technology. This includes massive government funding, access to vast datasets, and a deep pool of talented engineers. It's a national-level commitment that's creating a fertile ground for AI innovation, and DeepSeek is one of the most prominent fruits of that effort. And here's the real kicker, DeepSeek is not just good for academics, it's designed for real-world applications. From enterprise-level tasks to creative writing, it's surprisingly adaptable and fast, like scary fast. Also, ever had ChatGPT say, "Sorry, I can't do that"? Yeah. DeepSeek isn't as shy. DeepSeek's models have been achieving performance benchmarks that are not just competitive with OpenAI's best, but in some cases, demonstrably superior. We're seeing breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing, complex reasoning, and even code generation. What does this mean for the AI race? The rise of DeepSeek and China's broader AI ambitions has profound implications for the global landscape. It signals a potential shift in the balance of power in the tech world, with far-reaching economic and geopolitical consequences. Let's break it down. open source versus closed source. DeepSeek's transparency could pressure other companies to open up. East versus West. China is stepping up, not just in scale, but in quality, education and creativity. If self-learning AIs become the norm, we're entering an era where AIs innovate, without needing constant human babysitting. It's no longer just OpenAI and Google playing ping-pong with progress. DeepSeek just entered the court, and they're swinging hard. As AI becomes increasingly central to everything from national security to economic competitiveness, the nation that leads in AI will wield significant influence. The question is, will that be the US, China, or a more multipolar world? Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The rapid advancement of AI, particularly self-learning systems, raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure these systems are aligned with human values? How do we mitigate the risks of bias and misuse? These are questions that the entire global community, including companies like DeepSeek and OpenAI, need to grapple with urgently. So what does DeepSeek's breakthrough mean for the future? It signals a new era of accelerated AI development, increased competition, and potentially transformative applications. The race is on, and the stakes are incredibly high. The next few years will be crucial in shaping the trajectory of AI and its impact on our world. One thing is certain, the future of AI is going to be anything but boring. What should you do? If you're in tech, content creation, education, or even running a startup, pay attention, because the AI tools you use today might be obsolete in a few months. Explore DeepSeek V2, test its API, compare its outputs. It's open source, so no excuses. Startups. This is your chance to build without big tech strings attached. Creators. Imagine generating code, stories or videos with an AI that learns on the fly. And for everyone else, just remember, the AI race is no longer a one-horse show. The question is, are you watching from the sidelines, or are you evolving with it? What do you think about DeepSeek's self-taught AI? Is China poised to lead the next AI revolution? Let's debate. Drop a comment if you think DeepSeek is the future, or just OpenAI's new competition. And if you found this deep dive into the cutting edge of AI fascinating, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the technology that's shaping our future.